A 3D animation of heart valves would typically show the four main heart valves, the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves, working in coordination to control the flow of blood through the heart. In such an animation, you would see 1. Tricuspid valve. This valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle, and it has 3 leaflets. 1. It opens to allow blood to flow from the atrium to the ventricle and closes to prevent backflow when the ventricle contracts. 2. Pulmonary valve, situated between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. This valve allows blood to be pumped from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation and prevents blood from flowing back into the ventricle. 3. Mitral valve, found between the left atrium and left ventricle. The mitral valve allows oxygen-rich blood to flow from the atrium into the ventricle and prevents any backward flow during contraction. 4. Aortic valve. This valve lies between the left ventricle and the aorta, the major artery that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. 4. It opens when the left ventricle contracts and closes to prevent the backflow of blood. In a 3D animation, you would see these valves opening and closing in real time, synchronized with the heartbeat. The animation could also highlight how the valves function during different phases of the cardiac cycle, when the heart is relaxed, diastole, and contracting, systole.